From the thumbnail, you should know what this video is about. Yes, me too. But before we get started, I noticed that you guys are watching my videos in a huge volume but not subscribing. Only 4.5% have subscribed, so make sure to do it to have better chance of getting a free Nitro. First is from Discord and Epic Games. All you need to do is just download Epic Games app in your PC. Now mind you, the Mac OS version only works for people living in EU countries. Once you download the app, you need to search Discord Nitro in the search bar and click Get button. It will tell you €0. Then, after clicking the place order, you will receive an email. It could be immediately or in an hour. Now here's a twist. When you click the redeem button, it may not work for you because it didn't work for me. Turns out that the offer is only for the people living in Puerto Rico and the United States. But let's say you live in either of those countries. You need to add your payment method and make sure that you haven't had Nitro in 12 months. This excludes Orb's version of Nitro and maybe Nitro Classic or Basic. The second is from Streamlabs. The offer is till March 19th, 2026. I won't waste too much of your time. Just create an account on Streamlabs. After creating, purchase Ultra, which is their premium. Basically, if I want to be very blunt, they won't give Nitro to y'all broke people. It's for Ultra users. I am not saying it, it's their words. This thing cost $27. If you can afford it, get it. The third offer is from SteelSeries and Control Freak. It's only for the US and Canada users. Basically, if you are a Nitro user, you get 20% or 15% discount on their products. That's all there is to it. Now the fourth offer is from drop.com. This will last till August of this year. Basically, you need to be in the US or Canada, where drop.com service exists. Then look for products with special flag. After purchasing that product, you will get free Nitro, which is not quite free. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button to have better chance to get free Nitro and Orbs news on time.